Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the data type. Are the commas part of text or numeric formatting? Once done, select the column or range you'll edit and make a quick backup. Copy to a new sheet. Open Replace with Ctrl+H so you can act immediately. You do this because Replace gives control over all matches. It's faster and reversible if you backed up. Make sure to check whether commas are thousand separators or list delimiters before replacing anything. You now remove the commas by entering a comma in Find and leaving Replace blank, unless you need to convert to a decimal point, in which case use a period. Use the Options button to choose within formulas or match entire cells so you don't alter unintended text. Click Replace All for a complete pass, but don't stop there. Immediately inspect the first 10-20 rows to confirm values didn't shift, because commas can change numbers, which is why review matters. Finish by converting clean text to numbers. Use value on a helper column or text to columns with delimited off to coerce numeric types. Once done, check calculations and formatting to ensure sums and averages behave correctly. If something goes wrong, immediately press Undo, restore your backup, and adjust the replace criteria. For example, restrict to cells matching a pattern. Also verify Excel's regional settings for decimal and thousand separators, so future imports behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.